Made an offer on eBay and changed your mind? Here's how to cancel or retract your offer, but keep in mind it only works under certain conditions. Go to My eBay and click on Bids/Offers. Find the item you made an offer and click on it. You can only retract an offer if it hasn't been accepted yet or it has less than 24 hours. Also, it must be due to a genuine mistake, like entering the wrong amount. Visit eBay's offer retraction page. Just search retract my offer on eBay in the help section. Enter the item number and choose your reason. Click retract offer and you're all set. Just remember, this feature is limited to avoid misuse, so use it responsibly. Done. Your offer is now cancelled. Like this video and subscribe for more practical eBay help and how-tos.